Hi, this is Christina and Michael, the creators of GealMap. In this video we want to show you how easy it is to upload your own GealMap project. You only need two files, a square JPEG image and a tab-separated coordinates file. You can export the data for the coordinates file from analyzing tools like Delta2D, or if you don't have access to that kind of software, you can simply create the file by hand. The export procedure from Delta2D will be explained in another video.
We take a look at the Cyclam reference map, which have been introduced in our first video. We have identified 3 spots in our example file. You can look up your coordinates by using an image editing software, for example GIMP or Photoshop, but we will use Microsoft Paint, which is already installed with Windows. Let's say we know that this big spot is our GapDH spot. I point the mouse at the spot and observe the lower left corner for coordinates. We now have GealMap's most crucial data for this spot: the X value of 1000 and the Y value of 260.
We then enter these values into a spreadsheet and add some data from mass spectrometry and database lookups. All columns have fixed names and have to be written without spaces and in capitals. The order is not important. The coordinate file should contain at least 3 columns: the X and Y coordinates as well as a spot number. Additionally, following columns can be included. Title is the protein name, for example enolase. Type represents the categorization of the protein, like the physiological function. Meta type is the meta-category of the physiological function. Accession. Enter here the protein accession number in an external database. Database for accession lookups. Left blank for UniProt, N for NCBI, T for TER, and M for MTGE. More information about the predefined table heads can be found under gealmap.de/how-to. The second line is reserved for further information, such a description that will be shown in the More Details table. Let's locate the 2 other spots. The enolase is at 975, 540. We type it into our coordinates file. And the 7S globulin can be found at the horizontal position at 1490 pixels and the vertical position at 802 pixels.
That's it. We have prepared our 2 files and can now create a GealMap project. We are using the Blue Native Map version since it allows our coordinates file to contain unknown columns and automatically duplicates the table for the More Details version. First, we have to name our project. The title and username will affect its appearance in the map list. We can optionally set the password if we don't want to disclose our data to the public. The second password is to manage the map options. At the moment, this only means that you can delete your map. We then select our coordinates file first and image as our second file. The final step is to press the Upload button. You can find some debug information during the upload process, but if your data was well formed, you should be able to find the success message at the bottom, followed by your personal project link.
For more details on how to use the map, please watch our video of a quick tour to the map interface of GealMap. If you have any suggestions, questions or error reports, feel free to contact us. For technical information, Michael Senkler, and for proteomics specific questions, Christina Rode. Thank you for watching our video about the project creation in GealMap.